Welcome to RouteMagic, the comprehensive solution for managing field operations and distribution. This detailed video guide will clearly explain every feature of the RouteMagic mobile application, covering initial setup, daily usage, and all functionalities to optimize your business logistics, sales, and customer service. Whether you're a sales representative or part of the back office, you'll learn step-by-step how to use the RouteMagic mobile app efficiently. Let's get started. Service customers. The Service Customers screen is the central hub for field representatives when managing their daily customer visits. This screen lists all the customers on the assigned route, showing critical details such as customer balances, delivery statuses, and locations. Elements on the Service Customers screen. Route information displays the active route number and date at the top. Menu button, 3 horizontal lines, provides access to additional menu options. Customers list displays all the customers scheduled for delivery or sales on the selected route. Customers are categorized into 3 colors. Yellow, customers scheduled for a delivery. Green, customers that have already been serviced. Gray, customers that have been skipped. Customer details. Each customer entry includes customer code and name unique identifier for the customer. Balance due, the total amount outstanding from previous transactions. Customer address, the full address for navigation. Top action buttons. Search icon allows quick searching of customers by name or code. Pending deliveries icon filters the list to show only customers with pending deliveries. Add customer button enables adding a new customer if permitted by the back office. Access code button, it can override the delivery sequence of the customer planned by the back office staff by your sales rep. When a customer needs to be serviced, the sales representative can long press on their entry to highlight and select them. Customer selection actions. Once a customer is selected, additional actions appear at the top. Send message, MSG icon, allows the sales representative to send a predefined or custom SMS regarding delivery updates. Call customer, phone icon, directly dials the customer's registered phone number. Duplicate customer DUP icon creates a duplicate entry useful for shared locations. View route map pin icon opens the customer's location in the map for navigation assistance. Skip customer stop icon marks the customer as skipped if they are unavailable or reschedule is required. Servicing the customer. Clicking on a customer entry opens the customer screen, displaying detailed information and available actions. Elements on the Service Customer screen. Customer name and location confirms the selected customer and their address. Balance due and payment method displays overdue amounts and payment terms, for example, cash on delivery credit. Customer notes, any special instructions or notes added by the back office. Delivery message, pop-up alert. If the back office has left a specific instruction for the sales representative, such as deliver to the back entrance, a message will appear. These can be enabled and configured in the back office if required. They then acknowledge the message and proceed. Next button proceeds to the ordering or invoicing stage. 3-dot menu. The 3-dot menu in the RouteMagic mobile app can be seen next to the name of the customer while servicing a customer. It provides quick access actions to enhance efficiency for sales representatives while making deliveries, managing customer interactions, and handling sales. It allows users to perform key operations such as messaging customers, reviewing sales history, and checking invoices due. Here is a detailed breakdown of each option available in the 3-dot menu. 1. Messages. This option allows the sales representative to view any messages or special instructions related to the selected order. These messages could be from the back office, warehouse team, or customer requests. Use case. If a customer has specific delivery instructions such as deliver to back gate or call before arriving, the representative can check these messages before proceeding. 2. Send SMS. Sales representatives can quickly send SMS notifications to customers regarding their delivery. The system allows both predefined messages, for example, your order is on the way, and custom messages that can be typed manually. Use case. If a sales representative is delayed due to traffic, they can instantly notify the customer without making a phone call. 3. Customer info. This option provides detailed customer information, including customer name, contact details, delivery address, Account balance. Payment terms. Use case. Before making a van sale, a sales representative can check the customer's buying history and outstanding payments before proceeding with an order. 4. Show history. This feature displays the purchase history of the customer, including previous orders, frequent purchases, and returned items. Use case. A sales representative can check what products the customer regularly orders and suggest reordering them, improving sales efficiency. 5. Invoices due. Displays outstanding invoices for the customer, allowing the sales representative to track pending payments before delivering new orders. Use case. Before completing a van sale, the representative can remind the customer of any unpaid invoices and collect pending payments on the spot. 6. Future orders. This section allows the sales representative to view scheduled future deliveries that have been planned for the customer. These orders may be part of a regular supply schedule. Use case. If a customer asks about an upcoming delivery, the representative can quickly check and confirm the order details. 7. Pre-visit survey. If enabled, this section contains survey questions that the sales representative must complete before making a sale. The questions could relate to stock availability, customer preferences, or competitor products. Use case. A sales representative visiting a retail store may need to log how competitor products are displayed, which can be useful for marketing strategy. 8. Returns. This section allows the sales representative to process product returns from the customer. It includes features for capturing return reasons, scanning barcodes, and selecting replacement products. Use case. If a customer wants to return damaged or expired stock, the representative can record the return details, ensuring accurate inventory tracking. 9. Forward order. If an item is out of stock, this option enables the sales representative to create a forward order, ensuring the customer receives the product in the next scheduled delivery. Use case. If a product is unavailable in the van but will be restocked soon, the representative can log a forward order to reserve it for the customer. 10. Sample sales. This feature allows sales representatives to distribute sample products to customers for testing before they place a bulk order. Use case. If a sales representative wants to introduce a new product to a customer, they can log a sample sale and track customer feedback. 11. Deposit items. The deposit items screen in RouteMagic helps track returnable items like crates, bottles, or trays delivered to customers. These are often charged monthly and must be logged separately from regular product sales. How it works. Enabled via company settings under Allow Adding Deposit Items. Accessible during order entry from the three-dot menu or under the Delivery Point Deposit tab. Each customer has a predefined list of deposit items. Sales reps can add or return quantities, and the system auto-updates any monthly rental charges. 12. On Map. This option provides a GPS-enabled location view of the customer's site, allowing the sales representative to navigate to the exact delivery location. Use case. If a sales representative is unfamiliar with the customer's address, they can tap On Map to open the location in Google Maps for turn-by-turn navigation. Product selection and ordering. Once inside the ordering screen, the sales representative can process sales or van sales and delivery order. Available features. Add products. The sales representative can tap plus add to include products in the order. Star icon used to apply promotion, only applicable if the products added is part of any promotion created in the back office. Search products enables quick searching from the product catalog. Catalog view displays available products with images and descriptions. Barcode scan allows scanning barcodes for product entry. Order notes any additional instructions related to the order. Skip button. If the customer does not wish to make a purchase, the order can be skipped. Consignment orders operate differently from traditional sales. Stock is allocated to a customer but remains the property of the supplier until it is sold. The sales representative records the stock levels at the customer's location during each visit. The system automatically determines the number of units sold since the last visit, and the user can add the stock back again to keep up with the agreed stock accordingly. The customer is only invoiced for the products that have been sold. Example scenario: a customer has a shelf stocked with 10 units of product Z. On the next visit, the sales representative finds that 7 units remain. Since 3 units were sold, driver adds the quantity what he can see on the shelf there, which the system auto-calculates what is sold, and invoice that QTI, then driver adds the QT again to replenish the stock. The customer is invoiced only for the 3 units sold. This cycle continues on every visit, ensuring that the stock is always maintained at the agreed level. 3. Consignment orders screen layout. The consignment orders screen consists of the following elements. A. Customer selection. Customers with consignment stock are selected from the service customer screen. Once a customer is selected, the consignment items screen becomes available, where sales representatives can view previously sold items and add new products to replenish the consignment stock. B. Consignment screen. Displays all consignment products allocated to the customer. Shows the starting quantity, counted quantity, and final quantity after replenishment. Includes columns for product name, start quantity, previous stock level, counted quantity, actual stock available at the time of visit, replenishment quantity, calculated based on the difference, total quantity after replenishment. C. Adjusting the counted quantity. If the company setting is enabled for, by default, make the counted quantity same as the start quantity, the counted quantity will autofill with the start quantity. The sales representative can manually update the counted quantity if needed. The system then calculates the required replenishment quantity to restore stock levels. Forward orders. The forward order screen appears, allowing the sales representative to take future orders or if a product is unavailable. Features. The sales representative can record the order for a later date. The order is sent to the back office for fulfillment in the next cycle. Customer and order header. Customer name. The screen displays the name of the customer being serviced. Order type and value. This shows the type of order being placed and the cumulative order value in real time. Action buttons, top toolbar. Notes. Add any notes related to the order. History. View the customer's past orders. Default. Quickly add the customer's default products. Promo. Apply promotional items if configured. Scan. Use barcode scanning to add products. ADD. Manually add new products to the order. Product list section. Each product displays. Product image, thumbnail image to visually identify the item. Product code and name. Product class and unit of measure. Price per unit. Quantity picker. Increase or decrease the ordered quantity using plus and buttons. Remove button option to remove the product from the order. Quote toggle option is quote toggle to convert the forward order into a quote. This is useful when the order needs confirmation before processing. Delivery details. Delivery date. Picker. Select the intended delivery date. Route dropdown. Assign the order to a delivery route. Order type field. Confirms the order as a forward order. Order summary bar. QTITE total quantity of items in the order. Subtotal before taxes. VAT total VAT calculated. Final total including VAT. Confirmation button. Next button proceeds to the order confirmation and review step. Return screen. The return screen in the RouteMagic mobile application allows sales representatives to return products that were previously delivered to customers. This feature is useful for handling damaged, expired, or unwanted items that customers wish to send back. 1. Accessing the return screen. The return screen is only available if it has been enabled in the system settings. If the Enable Return Screen checkbox is activated by the back office, the return screen will appear on the handheld device. To access the return screen, navigate to the Service Customers section. Select a customer who has a return request. Tap on the Returns option from the available transaction types. 2. Viewing and selecting returnable items. Once inside the return screen, the sales representative can view a list of products previously sold to the selected customer. Select the items that the customer wishes to return. Indicate the quantity being returned. Specify the reason for return, which are configured in the back office under reason codes such as expired product, damaged goods, wrong item delivered, customer refused, other with an option to input details. 3. Processing the return. Once all details are filled in, the sales representative can review the return summary. Confirm the return by tapping the Submit Return button. The system then generates a return receipt for both the sales representative and the customer. The return is processed on the site summary screen and can be deducted from the total of that day's sales amount, if any, or can be created as a credit note to be used later for future invoices. 4. Impact on inventory and ERP system. The returned items are logged in the system and marked as returned. The stock is adjusted accordingly in the warehouse. The back office is notified to process refunds or replacements if applicable. Use case scenario. A customer receives a batch of dairy products, but later realizes that some have expired before the expected shelf life. The sales representative visits the customer, opens the return screen, selects the expired items, captures a photo as proof, and completes the return process. The back office is then alerted to process a credit note or replacement stock for the customer. The return screen ensures smooth handling of product returns, enhances customer satisfaction, and maintains accurate stock levels. Site visit summary. This is the final screen that the sales representative or delivery agent interacts with during a customer visit. It consolidates all activities, van sales, returns, forward orders, consignment, and payments into a single summary view before confirming the sale or exchange. 1. Header section. Customer name and visit type. Displays the customer's name along with the visit type and the current invoice value. Action icons top row. From left to right, email, used to email the invoice or site visit summary. Print generates a physical print of the visit summary or invoice. Access code, A code, can be used for validation or managerial approval. Photo allows capturing images for delivery confirmation, product condition, or any site-specific notes. 2. Order and discount overview. Purchase order number. A field where the representative can enter a customer-provided purchase order number. This will reflect on the final invoice. Order summary rows. Breakdown of all transactional categories. Van sales. Consignment items. Returns. Forward order. Delivery order. These fields automatically populate based on the items processed during the visit. Discount section. 2 types of discounts can be applied. Percentage-based discount, limited by a configurable max value. Absolute discount, a fixed amount deduction. 3. Invoice total. Displays the cumulative total of the order, factoring in all discounts, taxes, and product-level adjustments. This is the final amount to be invoiced. 4. Payment section. Today's bill. Shows the bill value generated from this visit alone. Payment modes. Toggles and input fields for different modes of collection. Cash, reference number, and optional image capture. Check. Input check number and amount. Credit card, add card reference and value. Bank transfer. Enter the bank transaction reference. Gateway. Initiate digital payment. Status and reference are tracked. 5. Overdue invoices section. Lists any pending invoices due from the customer. Displays. Invoice number. Due date. Status, for example, overdue. Outstanding and total amounts. Fill a test Tanifil button. Automatically fills the overdue amount in the payment fields for collection during this visit. 6. Notes and signature. Notes box. Used to enter any remarks or visit-specific comments. This helps document exceptions, issues, or custom instructions. Name field. Captures the name of the person acknowledging or signing off the transaction. 7. Confirmation buttons. Confirm sale. Finalizes the visit, recording all transactions, payments, and delivery updates. Confirm exchange. Used if the visit involved product exchanges, such as returnable items, replacements, or swaps, without a standard sale.